Hey everybody, it's Dr. Zach Beatty with Gonstead Family Chiropractic out here in sunny San Diego. I just wanted to touch base with you guys today to go over how to help fix low back pain. I got a really cool stretch that I want to show you guys. I think it's going to really help a lot of you. So let me set the camera down and let's go over that stretch, okay? All right. There we go. Awesome. So hopefully this is easy for most of you guys to see. So what we're going to do is you're going to cross your legs like this, like we used to when we were in school, right? The next thing you're going to do is either have somebody push on your back gently or take a towel, wrap it around a bedpost so you can pull yourself. So you're going to have your legs nice and bent, cross-legged, and you're going to go forward. What this is going to do, it's going to help stretch this area here. It's going to pull through the IT bands, the glutes. It's also going to help the hip flexors and things like that. So you're going to do this position, and you're going to pull yourself forward. And then you're going to breathe. And then you're going to go further into it and pull further. Or have, again, somebody push down. So this stretch alone will really help the hips, the low back, and everything like that be more mobile. So if you guys have any questions on how to do this, feel free. There's a link below that takes us to the blog about low back pain. And if you guys have any questions, again, feel free to reach out to us. So I hope you guys are all having a great, healthy week, and we'll talk to you very soon.